Hey there, it's Joshua of Green Mountain Mech Works, and here I am building a mech in the snow. So let's take a closer look, shall we? Here's a close-up of the door with the cupola on there. I just put on those thigh pieces a couple minutes ago. They're only attached by one bolt at the moment. Down here we have some kneecaps made out of a corrugated plastic, like the Pollock signs. It's easier to work with than metal, because all you gotta do is hot glue it together. Plus it comes in these colors so you don't have to paint it. You can see the insides are rather empty. That's because I'm keeping all the delicate bits inside, like the arm mechanism, because it uses Bowden cables. That makes it rather delicate and prone to freezing up if it's not open. So I'm working on making a dust cover for it out of some black tarpaulin. I did a slight miscalculation with the height of the back 8 frame. So until I get a support built for it, I'm just using a cinder block for fun. Here you can see the inside framework of the door and of the torso. This is built to be cheap, so yeah, I'm using wood. Here you can see me testing out the door. Look at it open. See inside. And that is the progress of the outside stuff so far. The arms are safely inside and I'm working on them, but should see some progress in the next few weeks. So, see you later.